In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Suno AI account. By the end, you'll be confidently logged in and ready to explore what Suno can do for your music projects. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Suno AI and press enter. This is the quickest way to reach the official site, especially if you don't have the exact URL handy. In the results, look for the listing that says Suno AI for music creators. Before you click, take a quick glance at the link preview and make sure it points to the official suno.com domain. That little check helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're in the right place. Once the Suno homepage loads, find the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you're on a phone or a smaller screen, you may need to tap a menu icon first, then select Sign In from the options. Go ahead and click Sign In to open the sign-in choices. You'll see several ways to access your account. Suno supports popular providers like Apple, Discord, Facebook, Google, and Microsoft. For this walkthrough, choose Google. Using a single sign-on provider keeps things fast and secure, and it saves you from creating yet another password to remember. If you prefer a different provider, that's fine too. The flow is similar. But we'll continue with Google here. A Google account chooser window will appear. If you're already signed in on your browser, you'll see your available Google accounts. Click the one you want to connect to Suno. If the account you want isn't listed, select the option to use another account and sign in with your Google email and password. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted to verify your identity, for example with a code or an authentication prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You may also see a brief permission screen. Review it and continue to proceed. After you confirm your account, you'll be redirected back to Suno, signed in and ready to go. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, give it a moment or manually reload the tab. On the home page, you should now see your profile or account menu, confirming that you're logged in. That's it, simple and secure. If you run into issues, try clearing your browser cache, disabling strict pop-up blockers for a moment, or switching to a private window to eliminate old session conflicts. And remember, always keep your login details private and sign out on shared devices. Enjoy exploring Suno and have fun creating.